Is it a good idea to microwave this?
It's soap in a microwave. Fantastic. Oh, it's shooting. I hope it keeps shooting. And it just shot stuff at the window. But now it's not.
It smells in here.
A little bit. Okay, I better turn this off because I think it's leaking out the bottom. Oh yeah, it really smells like soap in here. Let's find out what happened. As you can see, the bottle melted and the soap is really liquidy. The desired result is to get warmer soap. And boy, is this warmer soap. So, until next time, I'm Jory Caron for... Is it a good idea to microwave this?